Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today we will learn how to reset forgotten Windows password without losing data. 3 ways are tested here. Way 1: Reset Windows 10 login account password with Windows 10 Password Genius. Get another computer and then visit iSunshare official website. Find Windows 10 Password Genius and then download it. Then finish the installation. Run the software. Choose the media type. Now insert the media into your computer. Click Begin Burning. Hit Yes. OK, you burned the password reset disk successfully. After that, eject the media. Now insert the reset disk to your locked PC. Start the computer. When the vendor logo appears, press the boot menu key repeatedly until the boot menu appears. Choose the USB disk to boot. All right, the computer is boot from the USB drive. Select your user account and then click Reset Password button. Click Yes. Now the password is removed. Click Reboot button and then hit Yes. Also, remove your USB flash drive from the computer. Well done, the Windows runs without password. Way 2: Reset Windows 10 local account password with reset disk. Enter the password in the box and press Enter. When it tells you the password is incorrect, hit OK. Insert the password reset disk into the computer. Click Reset Password. Now follow the password reset wizard to reset Windows password. Well, you can enter the new password to sign into Windows without losing data. Way 3: Reset Windows 10 local account password with installation disk. Go to Microsoft official website to download Windows Media Creation Tool on any accessible computer. Open the Media Creation tool. Select Create Installation Media. Finish the customization. Insert the USB flash drive. Select the USB flash drive and hit Next. Now the USB flash drive is ready. Click Finish. Connect the installation disk to the locked Windows computer, then start and boot it from installation disk. Press Shift and F10 key to get command prompt. Execute the listed commands. Execute another command again. Now use command to reboot Windows, and you need to remove disk now. Click the Utility Manager at the right bottom side. Now you can choose the user and reset the password via command line. Now close command prompt and insert the installation disk again. Restart the computer from the installation disk. Press Shift and F10 together again. Execute the commands to restore Utility Manager. Finally, reboot the Windows 10 and sign in with a new password. That's all for the video. I will see you in the next tutorial.